Hey, what's up guys? iSaurabh here. This is Nothing Phone 1. Let's unbox it. There are two boxes under the box. The first one has Nothing Phone 1 itself and the second box has an envelope. Here is our device connected with protection. Let's remove it. I got it from Flipkart. So open box delivery was done. Now open the envelope. It has USB Type-C to Type-C cable, some paperwork and a SIM ejector tool. There isn't any charging adapter or back cover in the box. Now turn this phone on. This phone is boxy in shape and it looks unique and premium. That's all. Thanks for watching.